Types of EIS funds. There are two types of EIS fund, a HMRC unapproved fund and a HMRC knowledge intensive approved fund. Now, there is nothing to be alarmed by the use of the word unapproved. It is purely a HMRC differentiation which determines when the initial income tax relief can be utilised and what type of tax certificate you will get. Let's go through each type of EIS fund in turn. Investing in a HMRC unapproved fund means that you will get an EIS 3 tax certificate for each underlying investment made on your behalf. Here at Mercia, we aim to invest in approximately 12 companies, and so this will lead to 12 tax certificates. The initial income tax relief can be claimed against each underlying investment for either the tax year that the underlying investment is made or the preceding tax year, or in fact, a combination of the two. For example, an investment of £10,000 is made into an underlying company in July 2022. Tax relief may either be claimed for the 2022-23 tax year, or the shares can be treated as being issued in the 2021-22 tax year. The underlying investments for an unapproved fund may be knowledge intensive or not. Investing in a HMRC approved fund means that you will receive one EIS 5 tax certificate once the investment has been fully deployed into the underlying investee companies. For an approved fund, the initial income tax relief can be claimed for either the tax year in which the fund closes or the preceding tax year. For example, an investment of £100,000 is made into an EIS fund which closes on the 5th of April 2023. Tax relief may either be claimed for the 2022-23 tax year, or the shares can be treated as being issued in the 2021-22 tax year, even though the underlying shares will not actually be issued until the 23-24 tax year. The approved funds have a knowledge intensive requirement, meaning that more than 80% of the funds must be invested into knowledge intensive companies.